Welcome to the channel. Here we master tricky words and their pronunciations. Today we're tackling the word peregrinate. It might seem a little tricky, but by the end of this video, you'll be able to pronounce it with confidence. The correct pronunciation is peregrinate. Let's break it down. First, we have P-E-H, which sounds like pe in pet. Next is re, which sounds like the re in read. Then comes gr, which sounds like gr in grape. Finally, nate, which rhymes with wait. Now let's put it all together. Peregrinate. Try repeating after me. Peregrinate. Now a little faster. Peregrinate. And at full speed. Peregrinate. Keep practicing, and soon this word will feel natural to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Peregrinate means to travel or wander around from place to place, often used to describe a long journey. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce peregrinate and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next, and don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.